On the rare occasion I forget to set my alarm, the smell of fresh brewed coffee from my automatic coffee maker will wake me up. The idea of waking up to an aroma as an alarm clock may not be as crazy as it sounds. Sensor Wake is a nightstand alarm clock with a built-in diffuser that uses scent cartridges to release an aroma, waking people with a pleasant smell instead of a jarring sound. Once a wake time is set, simply insert the cartridge of your choice and the system is ready, even using RFID to identify how many wake-ups are remaining in the selected cartridge. Each cartridge lasts for 60 awakenings with scents including peach, strawberry, tea tree, ginger, mint, croissants, and even the smell of money. The scents are tested to be non-toxic and free from solvents, while the cartridges themselves are made from recyclable materials. In a study of 100 people, Sensor Wake awoke everyone within 2 minutes of the preset awake time, and for people with a stuffy nose, the backup sound alarm woke the rest. Sensor Wake will be released in late 2015 and will cost $120 with refill cartridges costing just $9. I'm TK for TechD.